Welcome to our dacha. A typical Russian dacha has a house, dom, a garden, огород, where we grow vegetables, fruit and berries, and also some herbs. This is called теплица. That's a place where we grow tomatoes, помидоры. Dacha is a place where we like to relax and spend time with family. Some of babushkas like to live in the dacha during the summer. Also, some parents bring their kids to the dacha to spend some time during the summer and eat fresh vegetables and fruit. This tree is called яблоня. It has a lot of apples, яблоки. Check this out. This is called Dasha. At our dacha, there is a house and a garage and also banya. You can watch my video about the Russian banya, русская баня. This is called беседка. There is a fireplace, камин, and there is some impressive collection of minerals and stones. Dacha is also a place where Russians bring some old stuff from the house. So we have some things from the Soviet times. We also have some old clothes here, some paintings, some old furniture. And now I'm going to show you our house. Блины. Лук, виниловый проигрыватель, картина, ковер, кресло-качалка, стол, часы, стеллаж для книг, русская печь, гитара, кот Syomik, лестница, стул и стол, сундук, утюг, бочка для вина, лампа, ваза, шахматы, пластинки, матрас, цветочные грядки, бочка, газон, пасечный домик, пчелиные домики. We are very lucky to have a small pond at our dacha. Пруд. If you are a fan of Syomik, subscribe to my channel to watch his adventures at the dacha. Земляника. Я собираю ягоду на завтрак. For lunch we usually make soup. Борщ. Шашлыки на мангале. Лесные грибы. Лисички. Домашние заготовки. Соленые огурцы. The apple picking season has started. Кедр. Рябина. These are the houses of our bees. We have 7 houses, so we can make our own honey. The houses of bees – пчелиные домики. Honey – мед. A bee – пчела. The recipe of a typical Russian Duchess tea. Pick some mint, мята. Smells so good. Пахнет очень приятно. Then you should pick some berries. And the main ingredient is the black currant leaves. Листья черной смородины. I added some black tea. You can try it with green or herbal tea. Приятного чаепития!